Understanding ramp up in English. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving deep into a very commonly used English phrase, ramp up. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your everyday conversations. Before we explore the phrase, let's understand the word ramp. A ramp is a sloped surface that allows for a gradual increase or decrease in height. Imagine a wheelchair ramp or a skateboard ramp. The direction it moves is upwards, so when we say ramp up, we're talking about an increase or an upward movement. Now, in the world of English idioms and phrases, ramp up doesn't always refer to a physical slope. Instead, it's often used to indicate an increase in activity, quantity, or intensity. For instance, 1. Companies might ramp up production if they expect higher demand. 2. An athlete might ramp up their training before a big competition. 3. A student might ramp up their study sessions as exams approach. To make it clearer, let's look at a few more sentences. 1. The factory decided to ramp up its output due to increasing orders. 2. As the festival season approached, shops ramped up their sales and promotions. 3. The government is ramping up efforts to vaccinate more people against the flu. While ramp up is a versatile phrase, it's important not to use it inappropriately. Here are some pointers. 1. Context matters. Ensure the situation involves an increase or intensification. For instance, you wouldn't say, ramp up the relaxation, because relaxation typically means reducing stress or activity. 2. Pair with suitable verbs. Ramp up usually pairs with verbs that indicate some form of action or change, such as efforts, production, studies, and so on. And that wraps up our lesson on ramp up. Now you not only know its literal meaning but also understand its broader applications in various contexts. We hope this video has ramped up your confidence in using this phrase. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.